Blocking out scenes can be an extremely useful exercise, especially for beginners, and can be instrumental in ensuring the first draft flies out at breakneck speed. In this video, we'll look at scene blocking and offer some tips and advice on how to do it effectively. Hi, I'm Kat, creator of The Novel Factory. The Novel Factory is software designed specifically for novel writers. It contains dedicated areas to keep your characters, locations, drafts, and much more. If you like these videos, please do subscribe. Please note that there's a text article that goes with this video, which contains much more information and examples. You can find that on our website, and we'll put the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. Scene blocking basically means roughly describing everything that happens in each scene from beginning to end. It should include key actions, rough descriptions of what the characters do, what they say, and where they go. It means that when it comes to writing the actual prose of your novel, all the story beats are in place, and a lot of the plot points, so you can focus on letting the writing flow. Blocking means describing what happens in each scene, but it should not be written in a prose form, or include detailed descriptions or full dialogue. It's useful to think of it like stage directions that describe the story beats, without getting bogged down worrying about elegant sentences or vocabulary. If inspiration strikes, then do note down specific dialogue or a specific detail. While doing the blocking, you can keep referring to your notes to ensure any important information is mentioned in the right place. The blocking for a given scene should probably be in the region of about 100 to 500 words, and should include all the plot and character critical details that need to go into that scene. Because it's just an outline, it's perfectly fine for it to be riddled with repetitive phrases, clichés, and bad descriptions. It's not about writing something elegant, it's about working out the story beats. If your blocking is getting significantly over 500 words, perhaps you're writing in too much detail, or it could be a sign that too much is happening in one scene, and it may need to be split in two. The main key to blocking is to let the story flow and the characters guide you. Don't get too bogged down by the specifics of what you should include and how you write it, or even the word count. If something feels right, go with it. The Novel Factory contains an attractive manuscript area for you to note your blocking, sorted by scene, as well as tons of other useful resources for writers. And don't forget to check out the text article that goes with this video for a real-life example of scene blocking. The next video in the novel writing roadmap is Step 9, the first draft.